This is bit electronic system. Let's we understand about MAX232. MAX232 is an integrated circuit, that is IC. This IC is widely used in RS-232 communication systems, in which the conversion of voltage level is required to make TTL devices to be compatible with PC serial port and vice versa. Let's we see in diagram. A waveform of transistor logic level, or RS-232 logic levels. Signal is present in binary pulses format, and it is well known that binary 1 represents the logic high and binary 0 represents the logic low. Transistor logic level is logic high is 5 volt or logic low is 0 volt. And in RS-232 logic levels, logic high is -3 to -25 volt or logic low is +3 to +25 volt. Now we are understand that this IC, which converts transistor logic, that is TTL, logic level signal, into its equivalent RS-232 level signal, and RS-232 level to its equivalent TTL level signal. This IC is very important in case when we need to make connection and transfer data between devices that works on different signal level waveforms, TTL, RS-232, etc. For example, most of the microcontrollers, that is 8051 PIC AVR, works on TTL logic waveform. Let's check out connection diagram. These microcontrollers have a built-in UART, that is universal synchronous asynchronous receiver or transmitter, which can send and receive serial data. Since they work on TTL level, so they transmit and receive data comprised of TTL waveform. Whereas standard PC, that is personal computers, works on RS-232 level waveform. Now if we need to transfer data from microcontroller to personal computer, we need to convert data from TTL to RS-232 level. And if we want to send data from personal computer to microcontroller, we have to convert data from RS-232 to TTL. MAX232 is solution to this problem. There is wide range where we use MAX232 is used, but its main purpose is explained here. MAX232 can operates up to 120 kilobits per second. It has two driver channels and two receiver channels. The maximum distance it can send data is 12 to 15 meters. MAX232 is used in modems, terminals, computers, printers, scanners, fax machine, etc. Let's move to pin diagram of MAX232. There are many different versions of this versatile IC available, each of them require different capacitor. MAX232 has 16 pins. It requires 4 external capacitors for its proper configuration. Capacitors can range between 1 microfarad to 10 microfarad and are of up to 16 volts. Construction of his MAX232. It consists of 3 major blocks. It can only be powered by 5 volts. To make it power supply compatible with most of the embedded systems, first block is the voltage doubler. In this IC, switched capacitor techniques is used to make the voltage double. Once the voltage is doubled, second block will converts that voltage to +10 volt and -10 volt. The third block consists of 2 transmitters and 2 receivers, which actually convert the voltage levels. Now, diagram will clear you about line drivers, pin functions and connections. Data flow is clearly visible. Computer serial port DB9 is shown with MAX232. Data flow between the two are shown. How to troubleshoot hardware one by one. Capacitor voltage rating is less than 16. Interchange TX and RX pins on one side of MAX232 at one time. Distorted power supply. Use decoupling capacitor to remove distortion. Check all the connections again. Check the capacitor with capacitance meter. Use tantalum capacitor for better performance. This is all about MAX232. Thank you.